Hey Gloria, how's it going? Thank you very much for opening the video. My name is Cembreros, and I was talking with Lady today about this short video that I put together for Dr. Berenter on these three things that I found on his website that he can fix really easily in order to start beating his competition online. In this case, San Diego Podiatry Group and Food Doctor San Diego, as you see when you look for a podiatrist in San Diego area. These guys are at the very top here and also on the organic results here and here. So by implementing these three things that I'm gonna tell you about, they're super easy and he'll be able to secure those first spots, okay, and getting all the extra patients that come with it. So that's it. I'm gonna keep it nice and short because I don't want to waste your time or mine either here. So I basically want to tell you about the three main things that the Google search engine uses to rank a website at the very top. Those are content, backlinks, and citations. First of all, I want to say that I like the website layout. It's a good looking website. You have some interactions here, which are really good. Makes people stay longer, okay, on the website. And you have a good amount of content already. But I would put some more. Google usually on the website that rank at the very top, they like to see about 1500 to 2000 words of keyword rich content. Keywords are basically the terms that people are looking up the most regarding the services that you provide. Okay, so you want to make a little research on what are the most searched keywords and drop them several times throughout that content. As you see, the competition here, they have not even as good looking websites. They have a little bit more content, not much more. That's why just by implementing that thing, it would be really, really easy for him to beat them on that aspect. Okay, and start scaling spots on Google. Then the second thing is backlinks. A backlink is basically another website putting a link to your website. So when you click it, like this one, I mean, Google doesn't count, but when you click it, it takes you back over here, right? So this works kind of like a popularity contest. Google likes to see a lot of backlinks, okay, a lot of websites vouching for you and giving you those links back. And but not all backlinks are created equal, okay? Some backlinks are way more powerful and give you more trust on the eyes of Google. And those are the backlinks that come from websites that are within the same niche or very related niches. Okay, so you always want to get backlinks from other podiatrists or from other medical related websites. Okay, those are the ones that are really important in order to take you to the very, very top. And then just with some backlinks and the content, you'll be able to rank up here in no time. Okay, because as you see, San Diego Podiatry Group, as you see over here, they have just 28 referring domains. This means that it's 28 websites out there that have a link to back to their website over here. The same with Food Doctor San Diego, they just have 8. This must be very powerful since with just 8 of them and not much content, they're ranking so high. But you already have, as you see here, 23. We just check all this stuff with a tool called Ahrefs, okay? This is a paid tool, but you can find tools that are free that kind of gives you the same information. So the best way to do it, to beat them, is you go through all the backlinks that they have, all these websites over here, all these domains, boom, boom. You make an account and you drop a link to your website over there. All right. So that way you're copying them. If these links are good for them, they're also good for you. Okay. And then you just add some more on top. You already have some over here. So maybe just copying them plus these ones that you already have, you'll be already beating them. So that's what you need to do in order to rank all the way up here. And then the last thing, in order to get here, all you need to do is citations. And the good thing is that this is completely free. Okay. So all you need to do is have more citations than your competitor. So what you want to do is get a tool to check citations. You see how many they have, and you just put, I would say, at least 100 more than them. Okay. And a citation is basically your business information listed in several directories throughout the web, like yellow pages, white pages, Yelp, Facebook, etc. Okay. So a little recap, you want to implement about 1500 to 2000 words of content over here. You wanna You want to create a healthy, strong backlink profile that you can start doing by copying the backlinks of your competition, okay, and adding to your profile, and then copying their citations and or just building new ones. But you can always copy them because if they're good for them, as I said before, they're good for you. So you can just copy them and add in, I would say, at least 100 more on top. And with all that, you'll be ranking up here and up here in no time and getting all that extra business and all those extra patients coming through your clinic. All right. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like what you see, please feel free to take this information and apply yourself. But if you want my help to get there or you want me to do it for you, please just give me a call or send me an email so we can talk. Thank you for watching. And if you don't mind giving me a little bit of feedback, it'll be much appreciated. Thank you and have a wonderful day.